Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me. If you're a first-time viewer, I truly appreciate you giving my channel a chance. If you're a return viewer, I truly appreciate you coming back and showing your support. Today, as you saw in the intro, I'm going to be stuffing a total of $1,390, and this is going to my wallet, which is my weekly expenses, and then also to my sinking funds. So I'm just going to jump right in. So in my wallet this week, I know I only had a few dollars left, and that was in miscellaneous. So that was $3. I'm going to set this to the side for now and show you in a minute what I will do with that. And just for those of you who are new, I do have a cash planning sheet that I have here to the side that I'm using as my cheat sheet to know which sinking funds I want to stuff and what denominations I'm using for those. So I always start out with my wallet and my weekly binder. And in my wallet, I have all of the expenses that I spend during a normal work week. And in my weekly binder, I have duplicates of those expenses in my cash envelopes. I'm paid bi-weekly. I'm stuffing the first pay period of 2025, and so I will be stuffing for both weeks in terms of weekly spending. So this is the method that I have been using. It works really well for me. And what I do with the cash that is left over at the end of the week, if there is any, is in this binder, I have some mini envelopes back here. There's 4 of them. And at the end of the week, anything left goes into one of these envelopes. And then at the end of the month, I take these 4 envelopes that are here in the back, and whatever's in them, I add them to my savings challenges. So let's get stuffing on my wallet. So for dining out, I do $50 for 2 weeks. So that's 25 for each week. And I have 25 that will go into my wallet. And then I have 25 that will go into my binder. For spending, I have 50 per week, and I have that broken out into 250s this time. So I'm going to put 50 in my wallet, and then the other 50 will go in my envelope. For grocery, I have 60 budgeted per week, and I have a 50 and a 10 for each week. And another 50 and a 10 to go into my envelopes. For car gas, I have budgeted 60 per week. So that is going to be, again, a 50 and a 10 each week. And a 50 and a 10. Don't have to fold it for this one. And then my household, I have budgeted 25. I budget 25 for 2 weeks. I put the 25 in my wallet. If I don't use it, I leave it in my wallet. Or if I do use it, I don't have an additional 25 here. And I have actually not come across a situation where the 25 didn't take care of me for the 2 weeks. So I'm going to take the 25 and stuff it into my wallet. And then miscellaneous is going to get 10 for each week. Nothing going into business, and nothing that I know of I need this week that I need to take out of my self-care. And this to the bank envelope is in here in case during the week I do happen to spend something on a credit card that should come out of one of these envelopes. If for some reason I can't use the cash, I will take the cash out and I will put it in this envelope so that I know I need to redeposit it back to the bank. And then the last category for this one is my lunch money. That's $50 for 2 weeks, so that's 2 20s and a 10 each week. I include my lunch money in with my dining out money, so I'm just going to fold that and stick it in with dining out. And in my folders, it's eating out, so that's going to be 2 20s and a 10. I budget 50 per week for that. Okay, so that's going to be it for both my weekly spending for right now and for my wallet. And then next I'm going to go into my family binder. And in my family binder I have categories for the members of my family, and I save for them for different occasions that may come up involving my family, birthdays that may come up, anniversaries that may come up. If we're all together and I want to treat them to something, I would take this out of this envelope. So for the boys, they're getting their 25 this week, and the boys have, let's see, 20, 40, 50. Princess is going to get her 25, and she will have 20, 40, 60, 81, 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3. And actually what I'm going to do for her is I'm going to take these 20s and I am going to put 100 in there. So she'll have 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3. And I'll leave the little change in there because when she spends time with me, we do sometimes spend out of this envelope. The new baby that's coming very, very soon is going to get 25. So he will have, oh, let me give him a better 5 than that. All right. So he is going to have, let's see, 20. He has 100 in the bank, and he will have 20, 40, 60, 81, 5, 10, and same with him. I'm going to take those 20s from him and put a 1 in his envelope, so he'll have 1, 2, 3, 3, 10, and I'll leave those 5s in there for now. And I will also update all these trackers off camera. The parents are going to get 25, so they will get a 20 and a 5, and the parents will have 20, 40, 5, 50. And this is for my mom and dad, and then the rest of the immediate family will get their 25. And so they also will have 20, 40, 5, 50. I cleared all these envelopes out at the end of last year and started over fresh at the beginning of the year because this will be my first full year of cash stuffing, and I really want to see how I do in savings for a full year. Last year was a partial year. It was really only May through December, and I am really anxious to see how I do this year for the full year. So last time, these envelopes did not get anything, but this time I am going to be stuffing. Holiday Meals is going to get 30, so it's going to get a 20 and a 10. And that's exactly what this is for. Easter, 4th of July, Thanksgiving, Christmas, whatever holiday it might be where we're eating and I'm doing the cooking, I plan on taking it out of this envelope. My travel is my short-term travel is going to get 20. I did not stuff this last time, so it will just have 20. And my bucket list is going to get 20, and I did not stuff this last time, but it's going to get 20. All right, I think at the end of the year, I have all the balances from last year in my budget binder, so I do know how much I have in savings already for these from 2024. So 2025 savings will be added to that. And I believe I had $390 that I saved last year on my bucket list. So this will get added to that. I am doing $100 in vacation. So last time, this is a new challenge for me, and this is for a nice vacation this year. And last time I jump started it with airfare, and I gave airfare $200. So this time I am going to jumpstart hotel, and I am going to give hotel $100. And I guess I need to grab something to fill in my circle. I've been using this highlighter. So hotel will get $100, and I need to mark on here that each icon is going to be, what did I say? I'll do like I did the airfare. So each icon is going to be $20. And then I'll finish filling in the rest of the icons. Give hotel a little jump start here. All right. Don't know where I'm going yet, but I do know that wherever it is, I definitely want it to be a super nice, warm place. All right, so that's going to do it for my family and vacation binder. So next I will jump into my business binder. And in my business binder, I am going to be stuffing. Equipment is going to get 15, a 10, and a 5. So then in equipment, I will have a 10 and a 5. 1, 20, 40, 50, 60, 5, 70. And I did not update any of my trackers yet, although I do have them in the envelopes ready. Packaging is going to get 20. So then packaging is going to have 20, 40, 60, 75. And this is for the boxes and mailers that I use to send out my Etsy orders. P.O. Box is fully funded. And in there I have 120. So in February, my P.O. Box renewal is 116. I'll pay that and then unstuff this. Postage is going to get 20. So then postage will have 20, 40, 50. And this is for postage outside of my Etsy shop. I pay for my Etsy orders postage within the Etsy app. But any other postage I have for the business, I started an envelope for that so I can have funds available for that. Printing is going to get skipped this week. I stuffed that last week. Subscriptions is going to get 20. And so in subscriptions, I will have 100, 20, 40, 50, 150. And some of the subscriptions I have are Silhouette, which is my vinyl cutter. I have Canva, I have Creative Fabrica, and those are really the three main ones I'm saving up for. Supplies is going to get 40. So then supplies will have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, and I'm going to take these 20s and I'm going to put a 100 in supplies, mini condensing here. All right, and then taxes needs to get 15 this time. And this is from Etsy sales. So for taxes, I will have 100, 20, 30, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I will be taking this money out when I do my unstuffing at the end of the month, because this is for 2024 taxes. So I will need to take this and I'll put it in the savings so I have it ready when I do my taxes. The website is going to get 20 this month, and I do not have a live website, but I do have a website and own a couple of domains affiliated with my business, and I'm saving up so that when I do decide to take them live, I have a little nest egg of funds for it. So I have 50, 70, 95 in the website. Okay, so that is going to do it for my business binder. And next, I'm going to grab my self-care binder. And in this binder, I have basically all of the items that I use to take care of myself, or I did create a new section this year with my interests. So I do have some hobby, craft, and entertainment money that I'm saving as part of my self-care. So for self-care, I'm going to stuff mainly the categories I didn't stuff last time. So self-care actually is not going to get anything this time. Clothing is not going to get anything this time. Personal is not going to get anything this time. I am going to be stuffing 20 in hair. And then I will be stuffing 20 in beauty. I will be stuffing 20 in medical. I will be stuffing 25 in entertainment. Decor is not getting stuffed this week. Crafting is not getting stuffed this week. Budgeting is getting 20 and 5. And this is just a general catch-all category. So for instance, I bought some planner inserts for my budget planner. Well, I didn't have this envelope stuff, so I just paid for them. But those are the types of things that I would use this money for. Anything related to my complete budget setup that I have here, whether it be, decor or something for the binders or whatever the case may be. And then indulge is not getting stuffed this week. So the money left actually should be savings challenge money, and there should be $300 left here. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 93. Perfect. So that $300 is left for my savings challenges. I will add it to some additional money that I have budgeted this month for my savings challenges to give some of my larger challenges a jump start with this first check of the year. I appreciate you guys joining me. Please remember to hit the like button, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Join me on this journey this year of my first full year of cash stuffing. Thanks, guys. I will see you next time. Bye.